Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Modalyst, which is a dropshipping platform that actually connects with you the suppliers that can help you build a successful online store. So if you are considering using Modalyst, you can just check out the discount link in the description and for more details about it. So Modalyst is a dropshipping automation tool that actually integrates with Shopify, Wix, BigCommerce. It actually offers access to a wide range of suppliers, including US and Europe based brands, as well as AliExpress products for the global fulfillment. Unlike any other traditional dropshipping, Modalyst also has the fast shipping options through a private supplier. Now, let's just talk about the pros of this particular product. So, you will get the high quality suppliers, you get access to the premium and independent brands, not just AliExpress. You will get the fast US shipping. So there are many suppliers that offer the 3 to 7 day delivery, improving customer satisfaction. You will also get the feature of the automated inventory and pricing. So you will get the real time updates. You will be able to keep your store synced with the supplier stock. Now here, if we go to pricing, you can just take a look at its free plan that is available for most of the users. However, there are some limitations with the free plan. The free version has only 25 product limit that require an upgradation, and I will just give you a discount link, so in case you want to check it out, their yearly plan, you can just go with that discount. So you will see higher product cost over here. So as compared to AliExpress, pricing may be slightly higher for the premium suppliers. So these were the two cons that you need to consider. So if you want a reliable dropshipping solution with faster shipping and access to the brand suppliers, Modalyst is a great choice for you. It is especially useful for those who are looking to stand out with the high quality products instead of just selling generic AliExpress items. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.